If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hello everybody, this is Jake, Mr. Announcer. I wanted to give you an update on Larry's health situation. If you've watched for a while, you will know that he does have spinal stenosis, which affects his walking and gives him a lot of back pain most of the time. He also is diabetic type 2 and has developed some neuropathy in the legs. Although it's a little hard to tell sometimes if it's the neuropathy or the spinal stenosis. He also had, a number of years ago, a skin disease called pemphigus vulgaris, and it has reoccurred. You should probably look that one up. It's a skin disease that can be very, very serious. So try that one, pemphigus vulgaris. He also has developed psoriatic arthritis, and that sometimes causes him hand cramps. The most recent adventure is the Enterococcus faecalis bacteria that he got in his blood and caused the infection. And he also developed pneumonia along with this, and did have a very serious night Monday a week ago. The doctors were actually not expecting him to survive the night, but he did. It took them a while to find an effective effective antibiotic. But they did find one. He is on that treatment now, and it is responding. He still has pneumonia and will for a while, so he's pretty weak. We did try doing a mail call with his hospital stay, and he enjoyed it, but it wiped him out pretty well. So his energy level is low, and it's going to be that way. So that's why he's not on the phone talking or texting. He's just trying to take it very easy. You know how energetic he gets, so we have to kind of hold him down on that. We want him to return to good health. He's also developed some sort of swallowing problem over the last year and a half. They're going to check that out as well sometime this week. At the moment, they're saying discharge early this week sometime, so we'll keep y'all posted. Keep on watching. Thank you. Oh, don't text and don't drive.